Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change file type in Canva. So the first step is to open your preferred browser. Now on the search bar, type in canva.com and this will lead you to a home page of your Canva website. Here on the top right corner, you can see create a design button. Click on it and choose your required template. After that, you can simply edit your project here. And after you are done, to change your file name, you have to click on the share button which is on the top right corner of your screen. Click on it and click on download option. And here you can see this file type option here. Click on this PNG and you can choose this different file type from here. For an example, if I choose this JPG, then simply click on it and click on download. And following this simple and easy step, you have successfully changed file type in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.